In last class, we have already discussed that what is an inertial coordinate system. The coordinate system which is not accelerating is called as inertial coordinate system. We can connect two inertial coordinate systems by means of Galilean transformation. We can discuss it in short now. Let us look these two coordinate systems. One is S. This is S prime. This is S prime prime. There is a mass m here. Now the position coordinate of this mass in S prime is given as r prime, and the position coordinate of this mass, the same mass in S prime, in S coordinate system, that is this orange coordinate system, is given as r. Suppose the instantaneous separation between this orange coordinate system, that is S coordinate system, and S prime coordinate system is S. This S, there is an yellow S. Now we can connect these two position vectors just as like vector addition. These are two vectors in same order. S and r prime are two vectors in order. Their resultant is given as r. This. Now we can write as vector r is equal to S plus r prime. This is vector S. Okay. Or r prime is given as r minus S. Okay. If the both coordinate systems are inertial, then both will have uniform velocity. Suppose S prime is moving with a velocity v with respect to S, and at t is equal to 0, S is equal to 0. That is, initially both the coordinate systems are coincided. Later, since the second coordinate system S prime is moving with a velocity v with respect to S, then after a time t, the S will be equal to Vt, since V is the velocity of S prime with respect to S. Now we can write this equation. Let us call this as equation 1. We can modify equation as r prime is equal to r minus Vt. This is equation 2. Now, if an event is occurred in this S prime, what is an event? Let a mobile phone charges in this S prime coordinate system with a time t prime. If a person in S is observed, is measured the time for same mobile phone charging as t. He measured the charging time as t. Then anything can be considered as an event. What is anything which consumes time can be considered as an event. Okay. Suppose a mango falls from a tree, it is an event. We can define a time for that event. Similarly, the time for a mobile phone charging, it is an event. Similarly, and suppose an event is occurred in S prime. An event is occurred in S prime and its time is measured as t prime. The time for same event is measured as t in S frame of reference. Then t, both the time measured will be same. Okay, as usual, both times will be equal. These two relations are called as Galilean transformation. that is two inertial coordinate systems. Since we already said that this is inertial, this is inertial, both have uniform velocity and no acceleration is there. Therefore two inertial coordinate systems can be connected by a Galilean transformation. This is very important, Galilean transformation. Okay, now